So one of my not so favorite things about life is that I've passed my sensitive skin or reactive skin onto my children. So that's why I wanted to try this Avène Cicalfate. Sorry the pronunciation. This is why I want to try this for my children. I got this from free from the rim, as always I will get mass review. So what I really love about this is my kids have, especially my son, has such eczema and he is always itching, and so I'm always looking for something to truly like kind of heal his skin barrier, to kind of get him to kind of heal that eczema and get him to stop itching, because I know he's irritating his skin. So that's why I truly am loving this. What I really love is this actually has the patented thermal water. This restores the skin and helps with skin recovery. And as you can see, I'll show you here, this is super thick, so you really only need a little bit. And as you can see, that this really goes a long way and gives you like super long lasting hydration that you really need. This has C+ Restore, which is a protein-based postbiotic ingredient for optimal skin restoration. This has copper zinc sulfate complex, which helps promote and maintain healthy skin environment. The thermal water again, which is to soothe, soften, and calm the skin. So actually too, I knew that this would help because we've used zinc on my skin, on my son before, which actually promotes healing and everything, and it's really helped his skin. So to find it in a form that's not diaper cream, that this is one we really love, especially too that this has really helped like soften his skin, given that skin hydration, and this is why we really have been loving it.